Welcome to our guide on turning $100 into $10,000 using real, actionable strategies. Many people dream of multiplying their money, but few know where to start. In this video, we'll break down practical steps, proven methods, and mindset shifts that can help you achieve this ambitious goal. Whether you're looking to invest, start a side hustle, or simply make smarter financial decisions, we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's dive in and discover how you can transform a modest sum into a significant fortune, step by step. Before you begin, it's crucial to adopt the right mindset. Turning $100 into $10,000 isn't just about luck. It's about persistence, patience, and smart decision-making. You need to believe in your ability to learn, adapt, and overcome setbacks. Many successful investors and entrepreneurs started with small amounts, but their determination set them apart. By focusing on growth and staying committed to your goal, you'll be more likely to succeed. Remember, every dollar is a seed for future opportunity. First step is to set clear, achievable goals. Define what you want to accomplish and by when. For example, do you want to reach $10,000 in 1 year or over several years? Setting a timeline helps you stay focused and measure progress. Write down your target, break it into smaller milestones, and track your achievements. This clarity will keep you motivated and guide your decisions as you move forward. There are several ways to grow your money, and choosing the right path is essential. You might consider investing in stocks, starting a small business, flipping items, or offering a service. Each option has its risks and rewards, so research thoroughly before committing. Think about your skills, interests, and resources. The best strategy is one that aligns with your strengths and fits your lifestyle. Every opportunity comes with some level of risk. It's important to understand what you're getting into and prepare for possible setbacks. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Start small, learn from mistakes, and adjust your approach as needed. Risk management is key to long-term success, so always have a backup plan and stay informed about your chosen strategy. One popular way to grow your money is through the stock market. With $100, you can start investing in fractional shares or low-cost index funds. Learn the basics of trading, understand market trends, and avoid emotional decisions. Over time, consistent investing can yield impressive returns. Remember, the stock market rewards patience and research, not quick gambles. Compound interest is a powerful tool for growing wealth. When you reinvest your earnings, your money grows faster over time. Even small amounts can become substantial if you stay consistent. Look for investment options that offer compounding, such as savings accounts, bonds, or dividend-paying stocks. The key is to start early and let time work in your favor. Starting a side hustle is another effective way to multiply your money. With $100, you can buy supplies, advertise your services, or create a simple online business. Popular options include freelancing, tutoring, selling handmade goods, or offering digital products. Side hustles not only generate extra income but also build valuable skills and networks. Flipping items is a practical way to turn a small investment into profit. Use your $100 to buy undervalued products at garage sales, thrift stores, or online marketplaces. Clean them up, add value, and resell for a higher price. This method requires research, negotiation skills, and patience, but it can be very rewarding if you're consistent. Creating and selling digital products is a scalable way to grow your money. With $100, you can design ebooks, courses, or templates and sell them online. Digital products require upfront effort but can generate passive income over time. Focus on topics you know well and solve real problems for your audience. Offering services is a low-cost way to start earning. Use your $100 to market your skills, whether it's graphic design, writing, or handyman work. Service businesses can grow quickly if you provide value and build trust with clients. Start small, deliver quality, and ask for referrals to expand your reach. Investing in yourself is one of the best ways to multiply your money. Use your $100 to take a course, buy books, or attend workshops. New skills can open doors to higher-paying jobs, better business opportunities, and smarter investments. Continuous learning keeps you competitive and ready for new challenges. Building a strong network can accelerate your financial growth. Attend events, join online communities, and connect with like-minded people. Your $100 can be used for memberships, coffee meetings, or networking tools. Relationships often lead to new opportunities, partnerships, and valuable advice. Smart budgeting is essential for growing your money. Track your expenses, set limits, and prioritize investments. Use free or low-cost tools to manage your finances. By staying organized, you'll avoid unnecessary spending and keep your $100 working for you. Good budgeting habits lay the foundation for long-term success. Regularly tracking your progress helps you stay motivated and make better decisions. Use spreadsheets, apps, or journals to record your earnings and investments. Review your results, celebrate milestones, and adjust your strategy as needed. Consistent tracking turns your goal into a manageable journey. As you start earning, reinvest your profits to accelerate growth. Instead of spending your gains, put them back into your business investments or skill development. This cycle of reinvesting creates momentum and helps you reach $10,000 faster. Stay disciplined and focus on long-term rewards. Debt can slow down your progress and add unnecessary stress. Avoid borrowing money for risky ventures or overspending. If you must use credit, do so responsibly and pay it off quickly. Staying debt-free allows you to focus on growth and keep your profits. Mistakes are inevitable, but they're also valuable learning opportunities. When you encounter setbacks, analyze what went wrong and adjust your approach. Successful people use failures as stepping stones to greater achievements. Stay resilient, keep learning, and never give up on your goal. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Diversify your earnings by exploring multiple strategies, investments, side hustles, and services. This approach reduces risk and increases your chances of reaching $10,000. Always look for new opportunities and stay flexible. Technology can help you grow your money faster and smarter. Use apps for budgeting, investing, and networking. Online platforms make it easier to start businesses, sell products, and reach customers. Stay updated on new tools and trends to maximize your results. A strong brand can set you apart and attract more customers. Invest your $100 in branding materials such as logos, websites, or business cards. Consistent branding builds trust and credibility, making it easier to grow your business and income. Effective marketing is key to attracting customers and growing your profits. Use your $100 for targeted ads, social media campaigns, or promotional offers. Learn basic marketing principles and experiment with different tactics. The right strategy can multiply your earnings quickly. Excellent customer service builds loyalty and encourages repeat business. Invest in tools or training to improve your service. Happy customers are more likely to recommend you, helping your business grow faster. Focus on communication, reliability, and exceeding expectations. Once you've found a successful strategy, look for ways to scale up, reinvest profits, automate processes, and expand your reach. Scaling allows you to grow faster and achieve bigger goals. Stay organized and plan your next steps carefully. Passive income streams, such as investments or digital products, can help you reach $10,000 with less effort. Set up systems that earn money while you sleep. Focus on opportunities that require minimal ongoing work but deliver consistent returns. Managing your time effectively is crucial for success. Prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and avoid distractions. Use your $100 to invest in productivity tools or training. Good time management helps you stay focused and achieve your financial goals faster. Motivation is the fuel that keeps you moving forward. Set reminders, celebrate small wins, and surround yourself with positive influences. Use your $100 for motivational books, courses, or coaching. Staying inspired helps you overcome challenges and stay on track. Smart investing means doing your homework and making informed decisions. Research opportunities, compare options, and seek advice from experts. Use your $100 to test different investments and learn from the results. Over time, your knowledge and confidence will grow. Trust is essential for business and investment success. Be honest, reliable, and transparent in all your dealings. Invest your $100 in tools or training that help you build credibility. Trust attracts customers, partners, and opportunities. Study successful people and learn from their experiences. Read books, watch interviews, and join forums. Your $100 can be used for memberships or learning materials. By understanding what works for others, you can avoid common mistakes and find faster paths to success. Markets and opportunities are always changing. Stay flexible and be ready to adapt your strategy. Use your $100 to explore new trends or tools. Adaptability ensures you stay ahead and continue growing your money. As your money grows, protect your assets from risks. Use your $100 for insurance, legal advice, or security tools. Asset protection ensures your hard-earned gains are safe and allows you to focus on further growth. Celebrate your achievements along the way. Each milestone is proof of progress and keeps you motivated. Use your $100 for small rewards or experiences. Celebrating helps you stay positive and focused on your ultimate goal. Giving back to others can create new opportunities and build goodwill. Use a portion of your profits to support causes you care about. Giving back not only helps others but also strengthens your network and reputation. Consistency is key to reaching your financial goals. Stick to your plan, review your progress, and make adjustments as needed. Use your $100 to set up reminders or accountability systems. Consistent effort leads to big results over time. Be cautious of scams and risky offers. Research thoroughly before investing or buying. Use your $100 for trusted platforms and tools. Protecting yourself from fraud ensures your money grows safely. Negotiation skills can help you get better deals and maximize profits. Use your $100 for negotiation training or practice. Good negotiators save money, earn more, and build stronger relationships. Feedback helps you improve and grow faster. Ask customers, mentors, or peers for honest opinions. Use your $100 to set up feedback systems or surveys. Constructive feedback guides your decisions and boosts your results. Keep up with market trends, news, and opportunities. Use your $100 for subscriptions, books, or courses. Staying informed helps you make smarter decisions and spot new ways to grow your money. Partnerships can help you reach your goals faster. Collaborate with others, share resources, and combine strengths. Use your $100 for partnership tools or meetings. Strong partnerships multiply your impact and earnings. Regularly review your strategies to ensure they're working. Use your $100 for analysis tools or expert advice. Reviewing helps you spot weaknesses, improve performance, and stay on track toward $10,000. Good health supports your financial journey. Use your $100 for fitness, healthy food, or wellness tools. Staying healthy boosts energy, focus, and productivity, helping you reach your goals faster. Taxes can impact your profits, so plan ahead. Use your $100 for tax advice or software. Understanding tax rules helps you keep more of your earnings and avoid surprises. Setbacks are part of any journey. Prepare by building an emergency fund and having backup plans. Use your $100 to create safety nets. Preparation helps you recover quickly and stay focused on your goal. Turning $100 into $10,000 is possible with the right strategies, mindset, and persistence. Start small, learn continuously, and stay committed to your goal. By following these steps, you'll build wealth, skills, and confidence. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, so take action today and watch your $100 grow into something remarkable.